Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 1750, minimum length of string after deleting similar ends. So before we go through the description and through the examples, I just want to mention that my channel focuses on helping people who are preparing for coding interviews and Java interviews. On my channel there are lots of good videos for you that will help your interview preparation if you are preparing for Java interviews or coding interviews or just simply learning Java concepts. So please subscribe to the channel. So let's go through the description. Given string is consisting of only characters ABC, you are asked to apply following algorithm on string any number of times. Pick a non-empty prefix from string S where all the characters in the prefix are equal. So we have to select prefix means left side, right? Prefix of the string where all the characters should be equal, right? Then pick non-empty suffix from string S where all characters in the suffix are equal. Then we have to select the suffix of the string S where all the characters should be equal, right? The prefix and suffix should not intersect at any index, so they should be separate. Basically prefix and suffix should be separate. The characters from prefix and suffix must be same. Now whatever characters we have selected in prefix should match to the character in suffix as well, right? That's what they are saying here. And then after we have done this, then we have to select both delete both prefix and suffix from the string, right? And we have to keep doing this operation in a loop, so as many times as possible, and we have to keep reducing the string, right? And at the end we have to return minimum length of the reduced string from the original string, right? After performing above operation any number of times, possibly 0 times. So they have given us a couple of examples here. So let's take this second example over here, and we will go through this example, and we will propose our solution, how we are going to solve the problem, right? So this is the string that is given to us. So what it means is basically is uh, see, first we have to select prefix, right? So prefix can be of same character as suffix. So for example we select a C, right? And here also suffix is here, so we select a C, right? So this is both same character, so we have deleted, let's say, these both characters, right? Because we are allowed to delete after selection of same character. So after that what we will do is, again, now this is the remaining string. So now for the remaining string, this A is the prefix, right? And here A is the suffix. So we have selected this prefix and suffix, and we again deleted those prefix and suffix. After that, again, as you can see, now BAAB is the remaining string. So for this remaining string, B is the prefix and here B is the suffix, right? So both are matching, so we can delete those both of them, right? After that, AA is the remaining string. So for the AA string, we can select this first A as the prefix and second A as the suffix of the string, and we can delete this both, right? So at the end we will be left with empty string, right? Nothing will be there in the string. So that's why we have to return 0 as the minimum length of the remaining string after performing these delete operations, right? On like selecting prefix, selecting suffix, and deleting it, right, of the same characters. So in this case we will be left with 0 length string, right? Because we could delete all the characters by applying those rules, right? So this is the problem, that is actually minimum length of string after deleting similar end character, right? So this is what the problem is. So how we are going to solve this problem? So whenever these kind of problems are there about string, right, the basic approach that comes into our mind is using two pointers, right? One is at the starting or left, and one is on the right side, which is ending or right? So let's just call it as a start and end pointer. So let's just put one, this one is our start pointer, let's say, right? And this one is our end pointer, right? So these two pointers we will use. So we will choose a character first which is at the start pointer, right? So and then start pointer will be pointing to character 0, right, in the beginning, and end pointer will be uh, pointing to the end of the string, right? So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so 7 is the C, right? So 7th character. So we will choose this character C, and then we will compare if this character matches, right? C, both C are matching. So what we will do in that case is we will basically move the pointer to the next pointer, right? Start will be moved to the next pointer and end will be reduced, right? So this is start plus plus and end minus minus. So end will come here at the A. So we are basically left with this string now, right? So we are just simulating that we are deleting C and we have created this new string, which is I am highlighting, right? So we kind of deleted the prefix and suffix, right? C, basically we deleted both. Now we are left with this string. So now again we will perform the same operation. So we again have now A here in the start and A here and the end, right, for start and end pointer. So we will again mimic that we are kind of deleting both because both of them are matching, right? So we can delete both of them, and this is our leftover string, right? This is our leftover string that I am highlighting, right, after deleting both A's, right? So now again the pointer will move, right? So this is the start pointer and this is the end pointer, right? So we will again simulate that we are deleting both prefix B and suffix B here, right? Because both are matching, both B's here also B and here also B, right? So both are matching. So we are kind of simulating that we are deleting it by moving the pointers, right? How we will simulate? By moving the pointers. So after moving the pointers will point here now, right? So start pointer will point to this A and end pointer will point to this A, right? This A. So this is the start, this is the end pointer, right? So after that again we are kind of choosing like this A as a prefix and this A as a suffix, right? Because and both are matching, so we will again move S here and E here, right? And in this case S becomes greater than E, right? So we can stop basically. So in our loop we will keep checking if S is becoming greater than E, then we already have process the whole string, and whatever string this highlighted we will keep capturing here as the reduced string, right? So first the reduced string will be like it will become like after reducing, like removing C, right? A B A A B, this is the reduced string, right? A B A A B, right? This is the reduced string for the first operation when we remove C. After we remove A, the reduced string will now becomes B A C. So A B A A B A, right? So A B A A B A, right? So now after removing A, it will become B A A B, right? So the reduced string will actually keep reducing, right? Because we are removing the characters. Now after removing B it becomes AA, and after removing A it becomes just a empty string, right? Empty string. So at the end we will just calculate length of this empty string and we will return that as our answer. So as you can see 0 is this empty string, right? So we will use a start pointer and end pointer approach. Some people call this left pointer and right pointer, but we will call it start and end, and we will increment start whenever we are like deleting the character, and we will reduce the E, means we will decrement D pointer when we are removing the prefix, right? So this is the approach we are going to take to solve the minimum length of string after deleting similar ends problem, right? So let's look at the implementation. I already explained in detail how we are going to implement it. So let's look at the implementation. I just created for start pointer to 0, end pointer is the last character of the string, right? And then I just created one char called a selected char, right? And just initialized it because initialization is required to just hash character. Then I created a reduced string S, so it is same as the first string, right? So in the beginning this CA means in the beginning that string is same as our string, right? Reduced string, and then it will keep reducing after in our while loop. So now as I said, we are going to loop in the while loop until start is less than end, right? So at the end start becomes more than end, right? So until that happens we will keep reducing. So first thing we will do is we will take our reduce string, right, and then we will check the start character and end character, right? If both are matching, then we will just take that selected character, we will assign to that character, right, that is matched. For example, in this case C will match, right, first. So let me just remove this so I can reuse this board again. Yeah, so now as you can see the C is matching, right? So that's what we are doing here. So selected character will become C, and then we will just break from this, right? If it's not matching, because both start and end character should match, right? Otherwise we cannot reduce that string anymore basically, right? So that's why if they don't match we will just break out of the while loop. Otherwise now we will go forward and we will move our start pointer and we will try to consume the same character as many times as possible, right? So even if they have more C's it will consume it, right? For example, if C is here and if the starting is here, it will consume all the C's, basically all these C's. So that's what we are doing here, and then start pointer will keep moving ahead, right? And in case of end pointer, it will keep decrementing as long as it gets the same character. For example, if there are three C's here, right? So in the beginning end will point here and it will consume all these characters because it's a while loop, right? And it will keep consuming as long as it is finding C basically. So that's what the while loop will do, right? And it will keep reducing the end pointer, right? And after that we will check, if start is greater than end, then we will just return 0 basically, right? Otherwise we will just calculate our reduced string, right? Because now our string got reduced. For example, if we have consumed C, right, then after consuming C our string is got reduced to this string basically, correct? So we will just remove these characters from the string, these first characters that we have consumed and last characters that we have consumed, right? Prefix and suffix, which is simulating that we have removed those characters, right? So that's what we are doing here. So we actually taking a substring from start and end plus 1, right? Because start pointer moved ahead and end pointer decremented. So we now are taking the substring from reduced string and we are reinitializing our start and end pointer using the reduced string now, right? Because now the start pointer, we want the start pointer point to the 0th location of the reduced string, right? So this is the 0th location of the reduced string and this is the end location of the reduced string, right? So that is what we are doing here, and we are going to keep doing it in the loop. So again now it will use the same process and it will consider this as the string, right? Then it will remove A, then it will in the next iteration it will consider this as the string, like this B as a string, and it will start will point here, end will point here. So it will keep reducing the string, right? And at the end we will find that reduced string becomes empty, right? Because it will consume B and then it will consume A after the next in the next iteration, right? And we will just return the reduced strings dot length, correct, in the end. So this is how we have implemented minimum length of the given string. So let's go ahead and let's run the um, test cases. So we are going to run all the test cases that is given to us, right? These are all the test cases. So we are getting the correct answer here, right? 2, then 0 and then 3. So 2, 0 and 3, right? So we are getting correct answer here. So let's submit our solution. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel now. So our solution got accepted by LeetCode, as you can see it here. And this is the way we can approach the problem of solving minimum length of string after deleting similar ends by using two pointers approach. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel now. It has a lot of solved problems asked by many big companies like Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Google, Microsoft, and many other companies. And those problems are handpicked problems asked in previous interviews in coding problems like dynamic programming, binary search trees, binary trees, linked list related problems, string related interview questions, BFS, DFS, graphs. So all the different variety of problems are there. So please go through the playlist. You will like the playlist. Also please subscribe to the channel, and your subscription is really important. That is the way the video can be reached to many people. They can also watch these videos and get it helped in their interview preparation. So thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe.